First of all, put the exhaust flaps on. There we go. Double click the gas. I mean, click the gas now. All right. There we go. It's louder now. You can actually hear the turbo spool. I never hear it on the outside. There we go. Come on, you can do it. Come on, boy. Oh, yes. See, that's the sign of a true professional. Not even touching the door handle. Not even touching the door handle. Look at this. Hi, everyone. Today's a very quick and special episode. I'm here with Frankie and Alonso, and these two gentlemen detailed my 2017 BMW M3, and actually these two men are here for the third time. First they detailed my E39, then they detailed my 981, which actually they were kind enough to wash again as a surprise. I came outside and the car was being washed, so seriously, who can ask for a better service? And today they did this car. But before I let them talk, I'm going to tell you a little bit about them. Mobile service, they work in the tri-state area, and they come to your house, they bring everything in their van, and this is the van right there. This is the van, and today I hooked them up with Tommy L Garage mud flaps. There's one there and there's one there, but trust me, everything is in the car, in the van, including a water supply. So you don't have to have a hose connected to your house. They can come to your house and have everything ready in that little van. So kudos, absolute kudos to Frank's detailing. There's their Instagram. I'm gonna link it down below. But today I kind of want Frank and Alonso to tell me a bit about what they did to the car, sort of the different stages, and what can they possibly do to your car if you contact them. So, what do you got, gentlemen, for me?
First, we start the interior by always blowing out the car, make sure all the dust and any hair is out the car. Then he'll come around and he'll do the front glass. You always want to blow before you do the front glass because you're just going to be doing double the work. Then we attack the interior with some nice interior detailer conditioner.
Oh.
Look at the inside.
I didn't even notice. Oh, I didn't know you were doing the interior. Look at this. Cool. Oh, wow. All right.
And then the next step is simple. We sit there and we clean the wheels, make sure it's spotless.
And they do seem spotless. Wow. And the wheels are also ceramic coated?
Also ceramic coated, so the ring will come right off in the dirt. And next, you know, car wash. We sit there and make sure we go gentle on the paint. We don't want to scratch any paint, or if it's already scratched or anything. It is already
scratched. I was telling you guys, I was flying a drone here and I flew my drone into the side of the car. But it seems like you were able to take everything out, so that's good.
Yeah, so the second step after you rinse and clean the car, it's called clay. You make sure all the iron and all the tar particles are all off the paint, and then we rinse again, and then we make sure the car is completely dry, completely dry.
Oh, is that what he says to you all the time?
Or you will have a hard time later on in the process. And after you dry the whole car, start the polishing process. Usually we start 5-inch, which is the big areas like a door or the roof, and my guy Frank here will attack the 3-inch, and that's all the small areas you see around the car, like this right here. And then next we check the paint, see if it's perfect, or as perfect as near as we can. Then it's called prep. You always want to prep the car before you coat it. So that's sort of like a alcohol-based product, right?
Yes.
So we wipe the whole car, make sure it's nice and clean, and most importantly, again, dry.
This is the only instance where dry means good.
All right, and then next is ceramic coat, and we start small portions. You don't want to go too fast or too slow, depending on the weather. And luckily today it was cold, so it took longer to dry up. So first we started with the roof. I did half the roof, just a bit of advice, so you see what you're doing. And then we go around and do the other half, and my man Frank will come around and make sure he's buffing, okay? Make sure you never hit the glass, or you try carefully not to, because it's kind of hard to take off. and then we repeat the process on the whole car.
And I've got to say, it looks fantastic. And you know me, to those of you who watch the channel, you know that I drive this car 365. It gets driven during the winter, so I take it snowboarding. I put my kids in it. It sees track days. So and I don't have a clear bra. I don't have anything. So by the way, how did the front look? I mean, was the front really beat up? So check it out. What they're going to tell you, think about it. When you're spending thousands of dollars on a clear bra, think about what these gentlemen are now going to tell you. And I don't know what they're going to tell me. So maybe they'll tell me that I should have done it. But this is after 3 years of me trashing the car. This is how the front looks. Oh boy.
It looks like a normal wear and tear paint. It hasn't been abused like most of the cars out there that's peppered all up front, but they're all chips. It's just not a whole lot. But,
yeah. And then so my trick, or I guess the way I prevent rock chips, I never tailgate. I never stay close to people. I never follow trucks. And that's really, and that's my way of minimizing the damage. And obviously, when you go to the track, you get hit with pebbles. Well, not pebbles. You get at the track, you get hit with little tire chunks. Yeah. But those don't necessarily scratch the paint. They just leave little rubber residues, which you can just simply buff out. And now it's going to be easier with when the car is re-ceramic coated. And then, so what else did I miss? Oh wait, the engine bay. Oh boy. Oh boy, let's see the engine bay. You want to tell us? Oh man, look at this.
We brush as many crevices as we can. Be careful with all our electronics. Basically, you know, easy detail brush all inside these grooves.
Oh my god, you actually got in there. You got in there deep and holy moly. Oh my god, this, I'm telling you, this car's never been this clean, even when I got it. Wow. Holy moly.
It's you know, we condition all the rubber pieces, the hoses and stuff like that nature. That's important for, you know, after winter driving. So,
got it.
Yeah, so we did that, you know, spray wax the
even underneath. Look at this. See, that's attention to detail. They even took care of the underneath right there. Yeah. Wow.
And then condition all the cow plastics, because that gets the sun beats on it all the time, so that's all conditioned, and you should be good to go.
Oh my god, that is awesome. So now you offer 2 levels of ceramic coating, right?
Yeah.
So what are they?
Today we did the 5-year coating, but previously we've been doing the 2-year coating. But you know, I know this car, you abuse it a lot, and so
all right,
we did the best package we can.
So, but if it stays in the garage and I wash it, I always hand wash it. It should really last me 5 years without needing to worry.
Just wash top to bottom, rinse your mitt every panel, and you should be good.
So the way after you guys detailed my Porsche, the way I've been washing it, I start with the wheels, and then the same water then I use to wash the car. So that's so that's not how to do it?
No.
All right.
That's called a $5 car wash.
They said, oh, you always work your way up. You don't start from the bottom. No? Okay, so not in this case. But by the way, so, and then this is what this car looks like after these gentlemen ceramic coated it, what was it, like maybe like a month ago? Yeah. I only washed it once. This is the second time. Oh, there's a bug over there. This is the second time it's been washed. It's got the track wheels on. And it's got my, obviously, my TLG mod flaps. And I don't think many people know about them. I haven't revealed them yet. But yeah, this car also, check this out. Super, super smooth. And I absolutely love it. So, I know. I wasn't expecting this car to be washed. It was a nice surprise. So, so thank you. I feel really honored. But anyway, so you heard that. If you are interested in getting your cars fully detailed, seriously, no headaches, nothing. You just give them the keys and let them work the magic. You'll be absolutely surprised and blown away. I guarantee it. Again, 3 cars, and I've got 3 other cars that they're gonna do for me. So plus the John Deere, plus the John Deere right there, and then a snowblower maybe. And then we're gonna do maybe the Traxxas, the remote control car right there. But that's pushing it. No, but with all seriousness, you'll be absolutely blown away. I'm gonna link their Instagram, their contact info down below. If you need references, I mean, this video serves its purpose, I guess. And really, I am super happy. And the car, if you see it in person, it's absolutely spotless. I'm gonna keep it in the garage, probably for both cars for a couple of months, because I'm not gonna. I don't want to touch it. They're so pretty now. No, there's this one probably have to take to a car meet, and the 981 is going on a track day next week, so we'll see how that goes. But yeah, thank you for watching, and once again, thank you for Frank's Detailing Company for doing this. It's you know, these gentlemen are true professionals. Highly recommend it. You will not be disappointed, I promise you. Again, contact below, and let me know what you think of all of this. Comment below, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. A dry towel is not good?
No.
Okay, so always has to be a wet towel.
Yeah, because I saw that. I saw you did that video.
Oh, you saw that when I was doing
like,
the.
Oh no!
Alright.
Oh no! Alright. So, you know, make sure the towel's, you know, semi damp like this one. This one is damp, so you know you could just go.
Okay, so the guys just left, and I've got to say, they did such an amazing job. I mean, I'm gonna take you on a tour now, but seriously, it's absolutely amazing. Check this out. This is what the car looks like at the end of their detailing session. As I mentioned earlier, there was a big scratch right there that they took out. It was from a drone strike. They fully did the car. The exhaust looks shiny. I told them not to put the plate back on because I want to have some personal time with the car later, and I want to put it back on myself. On the inside, they gave it a bit of a clean. So yeah, they washed and vacuumed the leather, the steering wheel, as well as the dash, and it really looks better than a brand new car. Sometimes when you pick up a car from a dealer and they deliver it to you, it doesn't look as good as this. This is a 2-year product. This is a 5-year product. I don't know why I didn't go for the 5-year product on this one. Maybe I'm not gonna hold on to this car for 5 years, but this one is a keeper. Again, I don't think I'll ever sell this one. It's just sort of the perfect car out there. If you're looking for one car, I feel like the F80 M3, especially with a manual, is the one to go with. By the way, look at my progress so far. So I'm cleaning out the garage, I'm slowly painting it, but I hung up my tires and wheels using these awesome racks. I'm gonna link them for you in the description. Fantastic, you get them on Amazon and they're awesome. And then underneath, I've got these Rubbermaid fast track hangers, also very awesome, and they allow you to hang many stuff to it. But I'm gonna do an update on my garage at a later date. For now, we're gonna just stare at these cars once again and admire how beautiful they are.